Let's open this box. Should be 3 of them. Yep. Let's see how much that comes up. Okay. Noctua advises it to fold it in quarters. That's what I'm going to do. Quarter, okay. It's doing a pretty good job, actually. Fold it. The other side. Yeah, so it's pretty good wipe. I didn't have this high expectation. It's not that wet. Like, you know, antibacterial wipes, but just wet enough to wipe the residue off. I thought Noctua fans and coolers were good only, but turns out their wife said good too. The wipe is impressive. Take a eyeglass cleaning cloth to polish it off. And I think this looks as good as new.